In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install GIMP plugins. So first, open up your browser and head over to your trusted source or your preferred source where you would like to get your GIMP plugins. So you can get some plugins on GitHub. All you have to do is just research and of course, look for plugins that is compatible with your current GIMP version. And with here, we're just going to click on the download button. And once downloaded, locate it in your file manager and extract it here. And here's our extracted folder. Now, once done, head over and open up GIMP. And here, click on Edit at the top menu, then click on Preferences. Now, from this window in the left panel, navigate to Folders. So, open this drop down up. Then look for plugins. Select the plugin folder at the top and click on this button to locate it in File Manager. And from here, open up this folder. Then next is locate your downloaded plugins folder once again. So you can either copy or cut this. Then go to the plugins folder and paste it here. And once done, head back to GIMP and click on Reset for the changes to apply. Then press OK. So there's a note here that says you will need to restart GIMP for the changes to take effect. So press OK. Then just close GIMP and open it up once again. And from there, the plugin should now appear in the appropriate menu like Filters or Tools. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.